Hey guys, welcome back, and today I have another exciting unboxing for you. This is my Stitch Fix number 2 unboxing, and I do have to admit I was kind of a bad girl and I already opened it, so I know it's in here, but I still wanted to film a video for you. The reason I opened it before I filmed my video is because my mom was interested in Stitch Fix, and so I was like, wait. I don't know what just happened. My mom was interested in Stitch Fix, so I was like, wait, my box just came in today, I'll take it over to your house today and show you what I got so you can kind of get a better idea of how it is and everything. And I think she got a better idea of it, but I will admit this is not my most favorite Stitch Fix, and I'm kind of upset about the prices, but we'll get into that in just a minute. But I do have another thing. It seems that every time I do a Stitch Fix unboxing that I always have something else to show you. I have 2 pieces from a local boutique that I picked up, and I got them after I filmed my fall haul, which I'll link right here in the cards, so you guys be sure to check that out. But I do want to show those before I unbox my Stitch Fix really quick. It's just 2 pieces really fast, so here we go. So the first thing that I got from this boutique, it's called B. Evans Boutique. I'll link her website and Facebook page down below. Be sure to join. She has really cute stuff and it's all reasonably priced. And the first thing I have is this cardigan. It's just this burnt orange pumpkin color with black and cream stripes. It goes all the way down. It is longer. I think it hit about, I don't know, like back of my knee, maybe around that length. It's really super cute on. It's just open. No pockets or anything. Just a really simple cardigan. I think this was like $37 and it's really cute. The second thing that I have from her boutique is actually the sweater that I'm wearing. It's this really cute, deep, it's like a in-between of like a mustard burnt orange camel color, but it is just this burnt orange sweater, and it has the zipper details and then this fake collar detail. It's really cute and comfortable, and it's like the perfect fall sweater, and it just is like a normal sweater length. It's a little bit longer, I think. Maybe you could definitely wear it with leggings. That's what I'm wearing with it right now, but I just had to show you those pieces before we moved on to Stitch Fix. So let's get into the Stitch Fix unboxing. So as usual in Stitch Fix, you have your prepaid mailing bag to send back any clothes that you don't want, which is awesome. So I'll definitely set that aside. And then you have your little styling card that says, oh hello, and it has the price sheet and all that. So I will read you guys my style note. I did leave my stylist a note this time, and I said I was looking for a corduroy skirt or overall dress, and she didn't find one of those. I was looking for a suede Moto jacket or that type of style, and I said that I was also really into the leopard print for fall. So that is kind of based off my fix. And I do give her my Pinterest board link and everything to go over, so she had that to look at too. But my stylist note says, hello dear Samantha, I am so glad you loved the cute styles in your last fix. It is fun to try on trend styles, at home no less, that are selected to flatter you. Thank you so much for your nice notes and helpful feedback. It is fun to get to know you and your beautiful style during these first few fixes as you keep letting us know what you do and do not like about the pieces we send. Since you were hoping for a suede Moto jacket, I wanted you to try this black beauty that is sized up so you can wear it over your chunky sweaters this season and fastened up in a chill. If you are interested in comparing the medium, please select this during your online checkout and hold on to this piece so you can compare them. Then send back the one or both you do not need. Postage paid. I will keep looking for a corduroy skirt and overall dress. Megan. So Megan's my stylist again, and they always have the style cards that shows you how to style your pieces, and then it comes with the price sheet as well. So my bundle is not a bundle anymore, but I will go over all the pieces that I got. Because right now my box just looks like this because I already opened it at my mom's house, but I will show you all the pieces that I have and go over all the prices and even try them on for you. So the first thing is this leopard clutch, and it has a chain detail and then also has like a little tag on it. You can't really tell, oh there we go, that's a little bit better, but it has like these textured leather pieces, this like suede-ish material, plain leather, and then this leopard print, and then it's just this kind of the pattern. It just has a big flap, button clasp, zipper pouch here, and it is all open, and it has like zippers and pockets all throughout it. It's a really nice clutch. It's just really expensive, and I have my Stitch Fix set to like as cheap as possible and everything, and all my box is really expensive this month, so I'm honestly not sure if I'm going to keep anything. But this is the Soul Society and it is the Kari Leopard clutch in black. I'll leave it linked below if you'd like it. This purse is a whopping $74, and it feels like nice quality, don't get me wrong. I cannot spend $74 on a purse that I might not use all the time. So here's this. It's really cute though. The next thing I have in my box is really, really cute. It is this jumpsuit. It's a slicker material. It has like a looser fitting top, and it comes in and then it's all the way down. It's just a long jumpsuit. It's flared leg pants. It's really, really comfortable. It's like the same material as the romper that was in my last fix, and it has this floral detail on it, and I like that it's like darker, more muted colors. That is really on trend for fall, and I cannot wait to try this on. And it also has pockets, so that's awesome. This jumpsuit is the Kaileigh Adalia knit jumpsuit in black, and it is in a size small. And this jumpsuit is $58. Here is that jumpsuit on. I know I'm kind of like in a weird angle. I'm standing on a little chair so you guys can see better. I feel like it looks a lot better in person than it does on camera. Like, this is not giving my body very good shape on camera, but it's really cute on. The pockets are right here. They're really cute and comfortable. I don't know what this material is made out of, or what this material is of this jumpsuit, but it's super comfortable. I'm wearing a bralette, so it's not like the best bra to wear with this, but it is just really cute. It feels like pajamas. I think this might be the thing that I'll definitely keep. It has a little flared. I can just picture this with like little heels and maybe like a little jacket, a denim jacket to make casual. It's just really super cute, and it's so comfortable. Like, I would sleep in this for sure. The next thing I have is this olive green suede tank. It is from Z Supply. It's just this normal tank. It kind of is like, the sides kind of are shorter than the front and back. And it's from Z Supply. This is the Sabiana suede swing knit tank top, and it is in olive and a size small. I don't really like this material for top. I always feel like suede tank tops like show everything underneath, like they show your bra and everything, but I know Z Supply is a good brand, and it is pretty expensive. I'm pretty sure this tank top is $38. Yeah, this tank top's $38, and it is a staple, so it's probably worth that. But I'm going to try it on and see how I feel about it. Okay guys, so here's that swing suede top from Z Supply. It's not doing anything for me either. I don't know. It's like cute, but I feel like the cut of it looks really weird on my body. It's really loose and flowy, but see, it does this. This material like sticks, and it just always lays weird. I would definitely tuck it in. I have it with leggings right now, so it looks kind of weird. I am like the same color as my wall right now. That's ridiculous. I am so pale. But it is cute. I really do like it. It's a good basic, but it's just not my favorite, and this material always drives me crazy. I had another tank top like this before, and like everything stuck to it. I had to watch what bra or tank top I wore with it, so I just know that I wouldn't get along with this tank top, but it is pretty cute. I am going to throw on that cardigan from that boutique real quick so you guys can see what that looks like. So I just threw this on over the tank top. It definitely makes the tank top look a lot cuter, but this is that cardigan that I got from that boutique so you guys could see what it looks like. Yeah, it kind of hits like right behind my knee, but it's really cute and perfect for fall. The next thing that's in my box is this Moto jacket. This is the oversized Moto jacket that she was talking about. It's really stretchy material, and it feels really heavy though at the same time. I'm a little disappointed though because it's like a stretchy denim material, and I wanted suede or like faux suede or something. So I'm really disappointed that that's not what that is, because this isn't really the look that I want. I want like the suede look, but it has all these zipper details. It's kind of a bronze color. It has zippers, and it unzips and buttons, and it looks like it's going to be normal length. This is the Liverpool Bradford Moto denim jacket in black, and this is in a size medium. It does look bigger, so I'll just have to try it on and see how it fits. And this is probably going to go back because it's $98. And I just don't think, well, I can tell you right now, I don't have the money to spend $98 on a jacket that I'm really only going to wear in fall. Here is the Moto jacket. She said she would like to style it over chunky sweaters, so I just kept that same sweater on that I had on earlier. And I do really like this jacket. It's really comfortable. It's really comfortable, and like the sleeves are like the perfect length, and you can unzip these so you actually have pockets. It's really, really comfy and cute. I like it a lot more than I thought. I am kind of glad she gave me a medium instead of a small, because I don't think I would actually be able to wear anything underneath of it if it were a small, but this is really cute. I just can't really spend $98 on it right now, but hopefully in the future I get like a suede one. I think a suede one I'd be all for it and I'd be willing to pay, but because this is just stretchy denim, I don't really like it as much, but it is super cute on. It's much cuter on than it is just sitting there. And the last thing I had was a little bit weird, but I like the color of it, but I'm not even sure this is really on trend anymore. It is this really pretty purple color skirt, and it is a high-low skirt, and it's kind of like a faux wrap, I guess, and it has little ribbon to tie into a bow. This just seemed really random to me. It's fall color and everything. I don't know if high-low's in or not. I didn't think it was in anymore. This is the 41 Hawthorn Golda faux wrap midi skirt. Oh, it's a midi skirt. It says, looks high-low to me. Dark purple in a size small. So I'm excited to try this on and see what it looks like. It might be really cute, and I could picture it with like a crop sweater or something being really, really cute. And this skirt is $58. Okay guys, here's the skirt. This is not doing me anything for my body. It does have a side zipper, which I forgot to show you guys. But it just, the color looks really weird right now. I don't know why, but this is just not flattering at all on my body. I don't know. I don't really know why she picked this, because it wasn't really any of my style or anything. It just is not doing anything for me. So it has the little slit in the side and everything, but this is definitely going to be returned. So I just did the math for all my box, and it was $326 for all the pieces, which is really insane for 5 pieces of clothing. But with the if I bought all 5, I would get the 25% discount, which is $81, and it would come to $244. And then if minus my $20 styling fee, my box would be about $225. So I just tried everything on, and I don't want to be super negative. That's not the kind of person I am, but I did pay $20 for the styling, and I know it's only the second one, so it's not going to be perfect, but I did expect a little bit better pieces. The only things that I really liked were the Moto jacket and the jumpsuit, but I think I really don't want to keep anything, but I paid that $20. And so I think that if I'm going to keep anything, it's definitely just going to be that jumpsuit. But I'll leave it, I'll let you guys know down below if I decided to keep anything. But it is just my second fix, so it's going to take her a while to pick things that really cater to me. And maybe I need to fix something on my Pinterest board, you know, pin more things that I would actually wear. I thought she did an okay job, and all the pieces were very fall-like. They just didn't really speak to me personally. But that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and you look forward to my next Stitch Fix unboxing. And be sure to check out all my other videos below and linked around here. And I'll try to link all the items and the names below, so if you guys liked any of these things and you want them in your fix, you can request them. But yeah, that's all I have for now. Bye guys!